Well, we got another package. All right, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Wait a minute. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from B&T Industries and also related to the brands Accu-Shot and Atlas. Accu-Shot known for monopods and accessories, and Atlas known for bipods and other accessories. And they're both under the B&T Industries company umbrella, and they offer between them on a large variety of items. So let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. What I have done here is gone ahead and opened the box because I saw how well taped and sealed this was, and that would have taken up quite a bit of time. I do have the manifest out. Just go ahead and empty out the contents. And we can discard the box. All right. So if I just go through an order here, I'm going to move some stuff to the side here. First on the list, I did order some blemished items. These come in and out of stock from the production process. They obviously do not pass QC, but functionally wise, they are still 100% functional. It's just that they are blemished. So something to keep an eye on the website in case you need to do some savings and you are not afraid of a little wear and tear already on the item. So this is how they will be marked. You can see they have a X right through the packaging label there. Let's go ahead and open this one. This is a BT-53 silo forward rifle support on this label. So let's carefully remove this. Nothing on, well, does appear to be a serial number. And okay. Looks like the cross stud is deep in there, so you can see it right across here. No, I can't get a grip on it. But I do have a sample previously acquired silo bag, and you can see how the cross bolt can be pulled out further. And I do have a video on the BT-53. So one other thing about, if you notice here, there is a little bit of a marking difference as well. So they do try to differentiate between blems and the actual full cost production items. But you can see here, it's got all the features, the front stop, kind of serrated surface, rubberized side surfaces, flush cup areas or QD areas, the Cordura type of quote-unquote bean filled bag for putting on edge surfaces or flat surfaces. And I believe if we move to the next item, which will be the BT-54, here it is, silo flush cup stud. So this is an actual production item here designed for use with the BT-53 silo. So that's the same as this one I have here. I'm not going to bother working on the staples there, but I can show you what this looks like. It is like a QD sling swivel, but with it is actually machined longer with this extra stud portion, which can then be threaded through this area here. But unfortunately, this has the cross bolt through there at the moment. But you can see how this can be applied in that way as the temporary stop on a rail. So again, BT54 silo flush cup stud. Next up, ordered 2 of the BT03 M1A/AR15 Sling stud accessories. So that would be these 2 items. So what happens with these is that on the lower portion of the buttstocks on the M1A as well as the M16 AR-15 fixed stock platforms that have the fixed sling swivel that protrude from the bottom and then slightly forward. If you replace that with this drop-in item, this is actually then a sling swivel point, which you could then either add a sling swivel to, or as we go through the list here, I do have an intended purpose for these 2 replacement pieces here. So these can be used with the BT01QK, BT04, 5, or 6 models, those pertaining to different lengths of the Accu-Shot monopods that are angled. So you can see here, these are actually 2 BLEM versions of the BT04 QK models. So you can see here how they would attach to a stock at this point where the sling swivel used to be, but with this replacement piece, that being your sling swivel there, this would then mount into this attachment point there, and through various tightening of the mechanism, gives you an attachment point for a monopod on your rear stock. And you can see here it does include Allen keys. There appears to be a sticker in there as well. Let's see if we can actually get one of these open real quick. Carefully cut. Open. So again, B&T, Accu-Shot Monopod, Atlas Bipod. Looks like they also included another sticker here with the kind of the monopod handle right there. Pretty cool. So these are BLEMs, just so you know. And they do mark them with the different BLEM logo. So even though it says B&T, there is this differentiation mark on the BLEM items. I'm not quite familiar with this rubberized pad on here, but my older one may not actually have that. So looks like an additional feature on the newer generation monopods. And again, this top portion here is angled to fit the lower portion of a fixed rifle buttstock. So I have actually used these on laminated buttstocks with almost the exact same angle, and that already had the sling swivel point attached to that. So that little point would again mate onto this pin here, and then through tightening gives you a very firm attachment point for the monopod, which then can be extended. And I do believe that there is a stowage angle as well. I'm just trying to get through all this. It's been a little while. But somewhere along here is there we go. So this will be the stowed position and then deployed position. And then these are various adjustment and locking knob combination set right there. And then for finer tuning, you can turn that as well. So there's a lot going on. And this base, I do believe, B&T offers replaceable metal bases as opposed to this hard plastic base. at the bottom, depending on what your use applications require. All right, so I know we're rushing through these, but just a quick unboxing. Some BLEM and normal items. Here we had a couple examples of the Accu-Shot BT04QK models, again BLEMs. We're going to attach those onto these BT03 Sling stud points. And we started off with a combination of the BT54 Flushcup stud, mated with a BLEM version of the BT53 silo. And I also saw we had included here a We Are Support catalog, and it looks like here holding our prices since 2008, which is very nice. Contact info there, and the catalog itself. You can see again a large variety of items, the accessories, the monopods, the bipods, etc. QR code for more info. But yeah, monopods, bipods, rails, and support gear and furnishings. So B&T Industries, Atlas bipods, Accu-Shot monopods. Feel free to check them out. Again, a large variety of items. So this has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and expanded topics. We also do a selection of book review media reviews and a series called Curios for the Curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.